In this video, we are going to look at what is meant by a multiple, how to find the lowest common multiple of a set of numbers, and how to find the highest common factor of a set of numbers. When we talk about multiples, we are effectively talking about the multiplication tables. For example, what are the first 5 multiples of 7? Well, they are 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, because they are the first 5 numbers in the 7 times table. If you were asked to find the first 6 multiples of 12, well, they are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72, because they are the first 6 numbers in the 12 times table. You might be given a question looking something like this. Which numbers are multiples of 6? So basically what the question is asking is, do you know your 6 times table? Well, we can see that 12 is in the 6 times table because 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 24 is also in the 6 times table because 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. And 48 is in the 6 times table because 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. So 12, 24, and 48 are multiples of 6. 32 and 56 are not in the 6 times table, and therefore are not multiples of 6. Finding the lowest common multiple of a set of numbers does exactly what it says on the tin. I'll show you with an example. Find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. Well, let's list out the multiples of 3 and 4. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on, because this is the 3 times table. And the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on, because this is the 4 times table. We can see that the lowest common multiple, i.e. the multiple that is common to both 3 and 4, is the number 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple. You might also notice that 24 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. However, it is not the lowest common multiple. Find the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, and 10. We'll begin by listing the multiples of 3, 5, and 10. Here are the multiples of 3. Here are the multiples of 5. And here are the multiples of 10. We can see that the lowest common multiple to these 3 numbers is 30. Now, finding the lowest common multiple is extremely helpful when you're looking at addition and subtraction of fractions, where you will need to find the lowest common denominator. But that's for another video. Now to find the highest common factor. As the name suggests, this is about finding the highest factor that is common to a set of numbers. So for example, find the highest common factor of 18, 24, and 30. Well, the starting point is to find the factors of 18, 24, and 30. Now, I have covered finding the factors of a number in a previous video. But essentially, it's all about knowing your multiplication tables, because the factors of a number are those numbers that go exactly into that number. For example, if we look at the number 18, well, 1 multiplied by 18 is equal to 18, 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18, and 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Therefore, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, because these set of numbers all go exactly into 18. Repeating this process for 24, well, 1 multiplied by 24 is 24, 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24, 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24, 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So those are our factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And finally the factors of 30. 1 multiplied by 30 is equal to 30, 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30, 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30, and 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. If we look at the set of factors for each number, we can see that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors to these three numbers. The highest common factor is therefore 6, because 6 is the highest factor that is common to all three numbers. Find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. Well, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And the factors of 84 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42 and 84. So we have common factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And so the highest common factor of 36 and 84 is 12. So that's a brief look at multiples, finding the lowest common multiple and finding the highest common factor. Again, all this work revolves around knowing the multiplication tables and being comfortable with the multiplication tables. If you are comfortable with multiplication tables, you shouldn't have any problems with this work. Thank you for watching.